Second morning of breakfast. दरो गइरहेछ बच्चाहरुको लागि रेकमेन्ड गरेको रोटी त बाले मज्जाले
ए बच्चाहरुलाई भन्नु
मैले खास गरी ज्ञानुलाई रेकमेन्ड गरेथे के यो ब्रेड कस्तो मन पराउँछ जोइ र मिगिनले ट्राई गराऊ भनेर अनि बच्चाहरुले चाहिँ मन परायो कि मन पराएन बाबाले चाहिँ दामी मन पराएछ
नेपालको एउटा घुमाउने पाउडर पाउँछ त्यस्तो टेस्ट हो
के हो
सबभन्दा लामो सुत्ने मान्छेको अनुहार कति ग्लोइङ के है बीमिङ यता हेर्नु न
डावर आजमा मेकअप सेकअप लाउँछ यस्तो दामी हुन्छ यस्तो दामी ग्लोइङ हुन्छ
Day 2 exploring
कस्तो खोजेको कि आउँछ नि देख्ने मैले
Chawang, के भेटायो
Bro, what is this? I think this goes through.
जाउँ गाडीमा को आउने मेरो गाडीमा
Me.
जाऊ Migu I'll see you there okay bye bye Chawang take care of Migin okay Hi
Oh yeah, we have this thing.
गाडी क्या मैला मेरो
Oh, it doesn't. Does it say what's in here? I don't think it does.
Chawang Let's go आज चाहिँ हामी फार्म डे आएको कहाँ गएको तिमीहरू यता आऊ I'm excited for today. Weather कस्तो राम्रो भएको के हैन It's like हावा नि छैन perfect not too hot not too cold Oh cute little shop These ones?
Yeah.
Are those?
Oh, I thought you were going to be big.
Are those?
How much
Keep
one?
hold of it.
Just
150
one
each.
each. One for Amma.
What are those?
Oh. What about me?
For you.
I don't get anything.
Don't open it. They're for.
I love animals
They're for kids.
too.
No, you're not a baby. They're for the animals. You animals.
Wow.
This is food for animals. There's a maze over there.
Take your socks off. Come in there.
Yeah.
आउँछ नि बच्चा दिन्छ All right, mate.
Yes.
बा मेरो स्किन कस्तो राम्रो देखेको हेर्नु न
These are glowing, man. Oh my god.
Filter.
What a beauty, okay?
What do you mean filter? I'm all natural.
Beauty, so.
Ani?
Beauty, man. Beauty, so.
Ani?
La.
Fifty.
For them.
Okay, let's see your outfit. And for the give us a tour. Outfit of the day. Go on. Rauna, outfit of the day. Give us a twirl. Yस्तो घुम्देऊ न यस्तो आमामामामामामामा So overdressed for this. Chawang. 60 pound को.
Guys, want ketchup mayonnaise? Ketchup mayonnaise?
कस्तो टेस्ट गर्दा रहेछ 60 पाउन्डको पिस हो
के चाहिने होस् के छ हो
Ketchup mayonnaise, म आफै
हो ए थुप्रै मगाएर नि त अहिले
जो चाहिँ सक्सकाउने उसलाई बाला खेल्नुपर्ने उसलाई माटो खेल्नुपर्ने cleaning his feet for the fifth time in the last 5 minutes.
अलि भोक लाग्छ के बासी के रे कहिले सही हो 4 बजे
45 भयो 45
आको 45 मिनेट भइसक्यो है
अन्त तिनमा आयो
कति रिसास उल्टी अलिकति हाँस न अलिकति भन्के छ यार लाइटन अफ द मुड अनुहार कालो भयो नि
कालो छ त्यस्तो मलाई
Don't open it now.
अब दिनभरि खुट्टा सफा गरेर जान्ने भयो मेरो छोराको We are going to go feed some animals. No, I'm just taking normal videos. No interested? Guys, kata gako timaru?
It sounds like you're making.
Oh my god! Oh, sing it, Anna. That one's eating. You wanna try it? Try it. Wow! Nico, feed it. No, Nora. No.
Give it.
हातमा राख न यसरी हो त्यसरी in your hand Migu. It's gonna use its tongue to get it. Oh, like that. Don't give it like this. हात यसरी राख. Oh, that's a lot. Just do that. It's gonna use its tongue. It can't go out. Oh, त्यसरी हो. You dropped it. You're so pretty.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'll take you home.
That's a pig.
Pero, it's a pig. Oh my god, these bunnies are so cute. Nack हेर न छोरी नाक कस्तो गर्छ बन्नीहरूले नाक Oh my god, look at it coming close.
Jump over. It's like peeking. This is my favorite place ever.
Why?
I'm not allowed. Forget it!
Oh, look, it's drinking water. What? You wish you had a guinea pig? Maybe someday, Migu. Maybe someday. Say bye-bye, guinea pigs.
यसो गर न खाऊ न ब्ल्याङ्केट जस्तो ले त
खुला Come on, I'll hold that down. No. Okay, look, he's doing it.
Oh, look. Go on, Chawang. You, tiba tu adle gora migu. I can't see.
Can you do it?
What? Oh my god, so cute. Oh yeah, look at it. It's coming to you. No, it's not. Cute लाग्यो मिगु यही बस्दै हो गिनी पिगहरुसँग
He wants to keep
He wants to keep
one.
one? Oh. I don't think they will let us take one, baby. This is not a pet shop, it's a farm. It's their pet.
Do that again. They don't understand. Come to us. Find him.
Oh, Miku.
No.
High five. Yay. Yay. Oh, Chewang.
के गरेको
Hug गरेछ
ए म यहाँ फोटो खिच्छु के त्यो भएर त्यसै बाइ
कस्तो दामी घाम लाग्यो आम्मा Look at our sexy mama. So cute.
कस्तो सफ्ट के नेपालको त कस्तो खस्रो हुन्छ नि त
डराको के नि गर्दैन
के नगर्ने त बिचरा
So smooth. Yes. Oh, it's so smooth. Oh, feel it. Okay, yeah, just feel it. Let's
Okay.
Let me put that one.
We can't go in. हेर
I will do it.
अहिले गोठहरु छुएर हात धुदैछ साबुन चलाउनु भयोस्
Yep.
Sleeves up baby
Antibiotic.
वाइप्स चाहिँ छैन होला
ऊ भयो यसरी जान्छ कि यसरी यसरी जान्छ प्रेस इट
टिस्यु नरहेछ उता टिस्यु छैन
यसो नहेर सक्यो होला सक्यो
एयर ड्राई
What's the air dry? Air dry, that means just make it dry.
Shake it like you mean it छैन baby
You do this.
Chicken.
You want to see the chicken now?
Chicken's a nasty. Go.
African
Do
pygmy
you know
goat
the black and white though? That wasn't lonely.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Did you feel bad for it?
Yeah, and then John.
Is that why you guys stayed with it?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys are so sweet.
But
अब के हेर्न जाने मिगिन
me and John had to leave it because we had to go to the next animal, which is chicken. Guys, you can choke the chickens. Wait!
Thank you Paladai.
Chop the chicken.
You can stroke. Oh, if I can go see.
Grass.
You can stroke the chicken. Oh, I thought you said choke the chicken.
Joy
ब्यागको ज्याकेटमा हाल्नु
Joy यता हेर्न एउटा लगेर घरमा पकाएर खाने
We're hiding.
You're not allowed to pick it up. Don't pick that up.
मिगिन यता हेर्नु न आमालाई एउटा लगेर घरमा गएर पकाएर खाने एउटा चिकन लगेर घरमा पकाएर खाने
चिकन
मिगिन लुक मिगिन हेर न यहाँ तिम्रो पछाडि बिस्तारै मिकु बिस्तारै हेर न तिम्रो पछाडि मिकु बिस्तारै हेर न
Oh, hell no.
What do you mean hell no?
Let me touch them. Oh, hell no. Can you touch them?
Yeah, you can touch it, you can stroke it if you want, if it doesn't run away.
Don't fly. Don't follow me, bro.
Oh, सकिन्न
Don't follow me, bro.
Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken banana.
Ooh.
Banana.
Dude,
Oh my god, the size of that.
Oh, look at that chicken. Yeah, that's the big fat one. Yeah, that's the big fat one. It smells like a pig poop.
Damn, smells very strong.
At least that's what they smell. Yeah, make Baba stop.
Why?
It just wants to be stroked, Joy. They just need love.
Oi,
Good answer.
He pulled it so hard.
Joy, don't be
love
scared.
this thing.
He doesn't bite.
Guys, you can see the ground.
What do you want? Do you want more grass? Why are you so aggressive though?
Feed the ginger one. Oh my god. I swear I saw it.
छेउको मात्रै जुठो हान्यो
I don't want that pani then. ठेवाङको भनेको गएर खाएको.
Not that black pani there.
Whoa!
त्यहाँ जानुपर्ने छ
है? Whoa! यहाँबाट त देख्दा नि देख्दैन होला. कति ठुलो है? हेर यहाँ भेडाहरू घाम ताप्दै.
A sheep ate this.
फेरि देऊ.
Eat a bogey.
Go on, Chawang. Ay, bless you. Bueno. Amma kutte aake ora feri. Chawang, look, you got so many. They're coming after you now. Go kala khonchau. Come on. Pick a little bit. Pick a little strand at a time. Wow, you don't trust the kids. You think I'm going to give you food.
I was doing one of the race.
Look at Johan.
All see her. Hey, put.
Oh yeah, I see us. I can't see us. Three legs. Challenge!
I know they do, don't they?
Yeah, it does.
3, hop, 2, 3, hop, 2, 3, hop, 2, 3.
Whoopee.
एकअर्काको टाउकोमा लाग्छ अनि
He's on.
लो 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 लो
He's छेवाङले रोल पनि गरेर टाको भुइँमा ठोकाएको
लो 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 लो
आज त धेरै उ त्यो बालो खेल्नु नि अस्ति त घाउन छ्याउनु भ्या मात्र खेलेको
मेरो छेउमा त तपाईँ त डेन्जर बुढो देख्दो रहेछ नि त
Make a bridge. Make a bridge. Like that one. Touch it.
Wow.
Touch it.
त्यस्तो हो लुगामा पुछेको फेरि हेर न आजको दिन यतिमै टुङ्गाउने रमाइलो भयो कस्तो दामी लाग्यो यो फार्म चाहिँ
I think that's big for you. Show.
Here's the Go on, Joy. Go on. बाबाले भन्दा आधी ड्राइभिङ लाइसेन्स निकाल्छ मेरो छोरीले अब Wow.
That was broken.
For him.
Tiny.
Oh, go on, Migu. Let him go. Go on, Joy. Fine, then. Go on, Joy. Go on. Too sano boy. Let him try the bigger one. Lie. Joy the pro boys. Oh. Look, go on. Whoever makes it out first is a true problem solver.
I don't want to do the knife.
Come on, baby. All right. Oh, baby, cute this too.
It links whatever it is. Look, this is cannonball. Look. This is cannonball. You okay? I'm going next to Jen. I'm coming over here.
Okay, and now तिमी हो त्यहाँ next to Joy. त्यहाँ
दुईजना रेडी हेर नि त
लाग्यो म चाहिँ रेडी भइसक्यो
After an eventful day, we're having dinner. Hopefully, we're gonna sleep early today because those eye bags are not looking cute, guys.
म 2014 मा गएको भनेको म त स्कुलमै दिएँ झन् पुरो लाग्यो
मिठो छ
ठन्डा भात खाएर के you'll be fine.
just gonna leave it like this. Can you move them a little
Kill
bit?
nosidik that's all.
You
got the bloody lie.
That's much better.